Hi, Gainer. So I am so pleased that you got Essay 2 done. And I do believe if you can get Essay 3 done and do well and make sure that you do your final exam tomorrow, I think that you have a good chance of passing my class. So I was very pleased with the way that your writing is coming together. And this will help you with your other essay as well, your Essay 3. You're splitting your TS apart, and each body paragraph has to actually be complete TS paragraphs. In other words, all of those elements are going to be in each body paragraph. And so I'm going to show you one of your body paragraphs, and I'm going to fix it so you can see how I'm putting it all together. And then I'm going to ask you to please do this for all of your body paragraphs. And so one quick thing is the indents. So I'm going to just indent this. Each body paragraph, or each paragraph really, should be indented. I'm going to put this one together because this was one where I was very clear that where the TS was broken up. So let's see. Right here. So you wrote another view of narcissistic behavior leading with harmfully an example of the sibling. These individuals have traits of jealousy, manipulation, and belittling others. And so this was obviously, and in fact here overall, that's going to connect. That's the sum up for this paragraph here. And then this one here, I'm going to indent it. And then it looked like that was some analysis, and then your personal evidence. And then this looked like perhaps another evidence. Yeah. And then this looks like an analysis. And put the period after the parentheses, and then you had your sum up sentence. And so what I did here was I put the whole paragraph together so that you have a topic sentence, an explanation, your evidence, your analysis, and your summing up sentence at the end here. And then I'm going to indent here. You would start your other TS here. I'm assuming this is that belongs to that. So it looks like you're splitting the topic sentence from the explanation, from the evidence, from the analysis, from the second evidence, from the analysis, and then the summing up sentence. And you don't split that with TS. Each body paragraph will have all of those elements put together into that TS puzzle. So you'll have TS all together for body 1, TS all together for body 2, TS all together for body 3, and TS all together for body 4. And then for your conclusion, and then each paragraph is going to have that indent. And what I did was I just pushed tab, and that pushed the paragraph forward. So I'm going to ask you to do that. I think you have 2 more body paragraphs that need to be reformatted. I want to make sure that you can do it on your own. So I showed you an example. I modeled it for you, and now I want you to do it on your own. And then we submit the essay so that you have 4 TS paragraphs. And then you have the indents at the start of each paragraph. So this essay will only have 6 paragraphs in total. Your intro, 4 TS paragraphs, and then your conclusion. And you should only have 6 paragraph breaks. Your indent here, your indent for body 1, your indent for body 2, your indent for body 3, your indent for body 4, and then your indent for your conclusion. When you submitted this, there were multiple parts where maybe you had like 15, paragraph breaks. And so you're not going to have that. You're only going to have 6 paragraph breaks for this essay. And then for the third essay, you will have from 7 to 9 paragraph breaks, depending on how many, you will have from 9 to 12 paragraph breaks, depending on how many body paragraphs you are including in the third essay. Okay, bye.